Guys, in today's video we'll be showing you how to uh, save to album any video on your account on Rednote. So the answer is easy, just click on it first, and for example this video right here. So for example, click here on this share icon, you will find it there, and here you will find the save to album. Just click on it and it will be saved. As you see, also you can the snapshot here, right here, if you want. That's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.